Bunny. Yeah. My life. Yeah. They know the place where I'm from. It's all about my future. Don't think they understand. It's like I had to go again. Leave me with some scars done. I'm feeling all alone. Was standing in the hallway thinking of the options. Where would I be feeling all emotion? Everything up been strange. I really miss my fam. Lead me in the right path. Been going through some things. Oh, we never see that cause they be telling. Been all in the dark. Now it's life of the dead. Was all on the pavement. Keep holding my chest. Swear I saw it all cause my eyes open. Had a lot of flashback cause that's the hard end. Forever international, no need to blame me. It's all a shame, then put them issues on me. Can't blame the youngers when it's all in the city. Stay away from those and put their life in jeopardy. Life ain't a joke, can be locked in a box. Doing 25 years, can't cope with that. Keep holding on, bro, right until he be back. Sometime I ask myself why they had to hack. Couldn't find a way, man, it's hard to adapt. So it's all on me, know the real gon' snap. A lot of times I kick back, I don't show up if it ain't about the M's. I'm one of them boy, they will binge all of things. Remember them days, so I'm not with the itching. Stay up in the lane, cause I'm not with the baiting. Worries in a place where it's storm and earthquake. Had a vision board, you know I can see it all. Stay out that lane, cause I know what's going on. Steady going easy, but I be going hard. Cause I'm moving different now with a lion heart.